Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the missing chat history sync issue in Messenger. If you are seeing the Sync Now error in Messenger, follow these steps to resolve it. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Look for the menu icon, which is the three lines at the top left corner of the screen, and tap on it. From the menu, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the section labeled Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Privacy and Safety. In the Privacy and Safety section, look for the option called End-to-End Encrypted Chats and tap on it. Within this section, select Message Storage. Here, you will see an option to turn on secure storage. If you remember your secure PIN or password, you can enable secure storage to resolve the issue. However, if you do not remember your PIN, you will need to delete the secure storage. To delete secure storage, go back to the End-to-End Encrypted Chats section. Scroll down and find the option labeled Delete Secure Storage. Tap on it and then confirm your choice by selecting Continue. Once secure storage has been deleted, go back to the main Messenger screen. Now, check if the missing chat history sync error has been resolved. At this point, the error should no longer appear, and you should be able to use Messenger without any issues. That's it. That's how you can solve the missing chat history sync issue in Messenger. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.